Happy day, my dear kids. Hope you all understood the concept of multiplication with single digit number and two digit number. Now we are going to do multiplication with three digit number. Multiplying three digit numbers with regrouping of tens and hundreds. We are going to consider three digit number. That three digit number should be multiplied with single digit number, right? Look at the problem. Multiply 342 by 3. We are going to multiply these two numbers together. See here, three digit number means starts from ones, tens and hundreds. It has the place value up to hundreds. In hundreds place 3 is there. How many times 3? 3 times. So 3 times 3 is represented. In tens place what is there? 4. How many times? 3 times. 3 times 4 dots are repeated. In ones place 2 is there. How many times? 3 times. So under ones place 2 dots are repeated 3 times. How many values are there in ones place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So all the 6 dots should be put together. Then go to tens place. How many dots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So from 12 we have to write 2 under tens place, and 10 tens will be carried over to hundreds place as 100. 10 tens are equal to 100. So from 12 we have to split into 10 plus 2. We have to keep it 2 under tens place, and 10 tens will be carried over to hundreds place as 1 dot. In hundreds place how many dots are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So already 9 dots are there, and we have added one more dot in hundreds place. So totally 10 dots. 10 hundreds are equal to 1000s. 10 hundreds are equal to 1000s. See here, all the tens combine together and move to the place 1000 as 1000. 10 hundreds are equal to 1000. As of now we have seen all these using place values. Now we are going to do normal multiplication. Write 3 digit number as first, then put multiplication symbol under 3 digit number, then write 3 under ones place. 3 is a single digit number, so we have to write under ones place. Now start multiplying from ones place. Ones, tens, hundreds. So start multiplying from ones place. 3 twos are 6. 3 twos are 6. Now go to tens place. 3 fours are 12. So 12 will be splitted up into 10 plus 2. 10 tens plus 2 tens. 2 tens come under tens place, and 10 tens will be carried over to hundreds place as 1. 10 tens are equal to 100, so it will be carried over to hundreds place. This 1 is carried over to hundreds place. Now multiply hundreds place value with 3. 3 threes are 9. 3 threes are 9. 9 plus 1, 10. The carried over value always be added with the multiplied value. So you got the answer as 1026 by multiplying these two numbers. First write place values: ones, tens, hundreds. Starts from ones place. 2 ones are 2. 2 ones are 2. Go to tens place. 2 fives are 10. From 10 you have to put 0. From 10 you have to put 0, because 10 tens will be carried over to hundreds place as 100. You know already that. So you have to write 0 under tens place, and 1 will be carried over to hundreds place. This is 10 tens. 10 tens are equal to 100. So 100 will be carried over to hundreds place from tens place. Now multiply hundreds place value. 2 fours are 8. 8 plus 1, 9. So your answer is 9. Next problem. See here. Start from ones place. 5 6 are 30. 5 6 are 30. From 30 you have to write 0 here. 30 ones will be carried out to tens place as 3. As I said already, 30 ones are equal to 3 tens. Ones are equal to 3 tens. So 3 will be carried over to tens place. Now multiply tens place values. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus carried over value 3, 18. 15 plus 3, 18. So you have to write 8 over here, and 1 will be carried over to hundreds place. From 18 represents 10 plus 8. So 8 tens will be, you have to write 8 tens as in tens place, and this 10 tens will be carried over to hundreds place as 100. So you have to write 8 under tens place, and 1 will be carried over to hundreds place. Now multiply hundreds place values. 5 fours are 20. 5 fours are 20. 20 plus 1, 21. So you got the answer. Look at this problem. Multiply 0 with the 3. From ones place you have to start 0 with the 3. 3 zeros are 0. How many times you have to, if you put 3 times as 0, then you will get the answer as 0. 5 times as 0, you will get the answer as 0. So 3 zeros are 0. Go to tens place. 3 twos are 6. Go to hundreds place. 3 6s are 18. 3 6s are 18. So you got the answer by multiplying these two values. 1860.
Hope you all understood the concept of multiplying 3-digit numbers with regrouping of tens and hundreds. Do all the homework sums correctly and neatly in your classwork copy. Thank you, my dear kids.